Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mga kapatid kong Kristiyano, Muslim at tribal, ang taon na ito ay panahon tayo magkaisa. Wala nang ibang paraan. Ito na ang mapatunayan natin dahil ang dinadala ko ay katotohanan. Mayroon pong authority ng lolo ko in 1902 which is recorded in the United Nations. That authority written by hand by Union Jack Moro, that there is a message saying that I heartily support and witness the carrier of this note from today onwards up to his descendant, to whom it may concern. The man has the right to overcome the rulers from the mainland territory of North Borneo, the highness by the guardians of King and Queen, to represent from Commonwealth country in accordance precisely to the predecessors of law. Dahil nandiyan ang descendant ko sa 1405. Kaya nga, bakit ako lumulutang? Dahil ako ang kapalit ng lolo ko as a man of peace. Dahil naparito ako sa Mindanao, Southern Philippines, para wala ng away-away natin, kailangan natin na mag-umpisa ng massive development for the humanitarian. Dahil tingnan natin from 1970 to 1980, how look like the Beijing, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Kuala Lumpur. On this 2013, how this country developed, speed developed. That is the source of income is from our country, Philippines. Dahil pinaaway-away nila tayo. Ano nangyari sa country natin? Since World War II until now, how look like the Zamboanga? How look like the Sulu? Because pinaaway tayo ng mga leader natin ay walang puso sa tao. Kasi ang demokrasya natin dito hindi na para sa tao. By the government to the politician for their own pocket. Parehas-parehas lang ang Malaysian election, ganun din. Pilipinas election, ganun din. And Indonesia, wala. Singapore, all crazy democracy. Dahil ang gusto natin, which is introduced by our late president, the first black president of the America, the government of the people, by the people, for the people, and to the people. Yun ang kailangan natin. Dahil dito, sa mga drama-drama, nag-umpisa ito noong si Ferdinand E. Marcos, President Suharto, Tun Mustafa, Chief Minister of Sabah, Government of Brunei, and Government of Malaysia. Dahil ito ang tinatawag nila political sabotage. Dahil ang yaman ng Mindanao, kaya nga tinawag natin the Promised Land, nandito lahat ang gold natin, ang oil natin, at saka diamond natin. At saka mayaman tayo. Bakit? Pinapahirapan tayo. Ilan ng presidente nagpalit-palit. Ngayon, si Noynoy. Anong sabi ni Noynoy? Ang pangako niya sa Filipino people. Ako ang boss niyo. Siya ang boss ko, sabi niya. Kayo ang boss ko. Bakit kung tayo ang boss ko, bakit nagugutuman pa tayo? Kaya nga, mabuti pa wala ng eleksyon. Dahil ang eleksyon ito, ang Mindanao ay fixed deposit ng national government natin. Why it is fixed deposit? si Fernando ang nanalo sa presidente in 2004, mandate by the Filipino people of Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Bakit siya nasiro sa Mindanao? Anong klase ng result na yan? Kaya nga, ang clean election, ang maghawak ng COMELEC ay mga maestro-maestra. They are the responsible to hold the ballot box, not the military. Ngayon, as long as the military holding the chairman of the COMELEC, that is corruption. That's why all the party lists already being sign a contract with the COMELEC. If you have money, you will win. No money, you lose. Even you will not campaign as long as you have money. That's why all the election now, from Marcos until now, very, very dirty. We don't like anymore election. We have to stop the election. National government and local government, no election. We have to proceed with the multiracial and parliamentary form of election through the command of the Queen of the Republic of the Philippines, Helen Fatima Nazaria Paulino Durajak, are the Queen of the Pilipinas kung mahal. That they will have already a joint conclusion between the Senado and the Congreso on April 23 in 2008, United States of the Philippines Federal Republic Government, 11 states and 11 chief minister with 3 deputy chief minister. One in Mindanao represented by Muslim. Visayas represented by Lumad. Luzon represented by Christian. That's why we have 3 deputy chief minister. So this is the advice of the grandson as the successor of the king of Sulu and North Borneo. I have the authority to advise the national government by virtue of Article 42. That Article 42, as what the Congress told me, it was already put in the archive, no such thing. Without Article 42, there will be no soul, heart of the national government. That is the authority. It's just like a mankind. When a mankind, no soul and heart, as a dead person. That's why I do not say that Article 42 you archive. No, you are wrong. That's why I don't want to be the politician. Because the politician words, the true is false. The false is true. They are liars in the whole world. Kailangan natin na magpakatotoo. We respect Diosdado Macapagal administration. Because he only respect his term for 1 term. Because our preamble before, we, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring of the aid of divine providence in order to establish our government that shall embody our ideas, promote the general welfare and conserve the patrimony of our nation, liberty and democracy. What will happen when Marcos took over the administration in 1965? All our democracy was being abolished because they declared the hours of decision, the sovereign Filipino people. You see, the we is already taken out. That's why the Filipino people's right is no longer in power. It is already held by the president as in command, ding and chief. From Marcos to Estrada, Corazon, Peter Ramos, Arroyo, and now that son of Aquino. When Corazon Aquino took over from Marcos in 1986, Corazon reformed the Constitution into freedom Constitution That is the power of the civilian is more power than military. So, when Corazon already reformed the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, they refused Ramos to take over to run for president. Because I know, once Ramos become president, everything will destroy. You see, the poor become poorer, the rich become richer. Because the government as of now is still in command of Fidel Ramos as the former president of the Republic of the President. Mr. Ramos, you are now an old man. Please be advised. You told Queen Maria Makiling, my wife, fix Mindanao. Now, you still make trouble in Mindanao. You still command Misuari. Misuari is the worst person in the whole world. He's a very dirty-minded. He is already an old man. But they cannot reach the goal of success. They could not achieve the Bangsamoro Eminilip. No such thing. They will follow like Arapat. You know what is Yasser Arapat goal? 7 feet below the ground. Now, Professor Misuari, I am the true grandson. I challenge you. You want to go against me? I am here in Zamboanga City. The more you go against me, you will surely die. And also, Ibrahim Murad, you are the brain of Misuari, brother-in-law, because your sister married to Professor Misuari. That's why you got the chairman of MILF. You are paid by the Malaysian government just only to destroy Mindanao. Enough is enough. Now, you better hide now. Your case will be treason, rebellion. No pardon already. Because how many dies already? From 65 to 2013, marami na tao pinatay ninyo nang walang kasalanan. Tingnan nyo anong nangyari sa framework ninyo yan. Mr. President Noynoy, ito na ang panahon. Magpakatotoo ka na. Kung ayaw mo magpakatotoo, wala ka ng authority. You are illegal administration now. Hindi ka na, government ngayon, illegal ka na. Kasi tapos na ang pagpahiram ng Mapilindo. As years necessary, 2006 pa. Caretaker na kayo. Parehas din kayo ni Najib. Bakit kayo nag-framework pa? Hindi nyo ba alam? Ang libro namin, dinala ni Said Daob, The Advisor of Ibrahim Murad, received by Congress, received by Senator, received by Perconsa, and also received by Department of Foreign Affairs. Documented yan. Now already in the hand of the Malaysian government and the hand of High Court of Sabah. So what do you do now? I advise you, if you will not hide the two chairmen, Misuari and Murad, you better commit suicide. This is now the time for you, because you will be like Yasser Arafat. You'll struggle. Yasser Arafat is waiting for you in the 7 feet below the ground. Sagadanakan ko, laha ko, sama. Magdakayo na kami. Dahil na pa yung bilahe pinarupang. Katuwa natin, Misuari. Ang kaya laha. Baru pinarakayo na laha na. Sa memon laha na, mingga-mingga lahat. Manila, Jinsan, mito-mito, ang amo si Dai Katigal. Yun laha. Saan na ang yaman? Misuari, where is your wealth now? I know. Naggawa, ikaw ang pinaupo ng terrorist chairman ng OIC. Ang yaman, ang jakat ng Middle East para sa taong naghihirap dito, saan na nilagay ninyo? Hindi na kayo makakuha ng revolutionary fund. The source of origin of revolutionary fund na yan, galing po sa 189 trillion ringgit Malaysia. Pera yan ng Sultan of Sulu in North Borneo. Hindi yan pera galing sa iba-ibang bansa. Yan na ang interest niya nakalagay sa Amana Bank at Development Bank of the Philippines. Pero inayos namin na ang newborn foundation namin sa January 22, 2013, yung ang tinatawag National Liberation Front Southern Philippines. The founder is my deputy, Professor Muhammad Abubakar, is the true bloodline. They are the one who control the Region 9 and Mindanao for economic development. Chairman Mishwari, Chairman Murad, you bowed to respect my deputy. It's too late. You are going to see me. No more time. That's enough. Because if you want to see me, you will like Saddam Hussein to be hanged. Because your sin cannot be forbidden already by Allah. Subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hindi na kayo nagtataubat. Alam mo, marunong lang kayo maghadis, magpalman. Ikaw, Chairman Murad, sabi mo, ikaw, ulama. What kind of ulama you are? Hindi na kailangan natin ang jihad. Stop the jihad. Ang kailangan natin, jihad for development. Ito na, National Liberation Front, Southern Philippines. MNLF followers, MILF followers, Abu Sayyaf, Los Command, and our beloved New People's Army. No problem with the Christian, no problem with the tribals, only the big problem is my own brother Muslim. Kasi ngayon, ang away, we are fighting against Muslim. What will happen in this standoff in Hadatu? The Royal Malaysian Post is Muslim. And Mishwari Post is Muslim. Tama na. Makahiya sa buong mundo. Why the Muslim is fighting each other? And why our brother Middle East? You see, from Iraq, Syria, Iran, Afghanistan, ano nangyari? Palestinian, Arab against Arab. That's why. Why Saudi Arabia was not being involved in this crisis of the terrorists? Because of the protection of the American. The American is the one who protect to maintain the peace and order. But there are two types of American government. We are the side of Democrat, which is the administration of Obama. We are not siding the Republican because Republican is destructive government. That's why Obama, this is now your time. Send me United Forces to Sulu, to Mindanao, to Zamboanga. I need all your American UN forces, England UN forces, in Saudi Arabia UN forces. I don't need the Kuala Lumpur Malaysian UN to come here to interfere here. You better take out. Alis kayo dito. Lari kayo dari sini. UN Post representing Malaysia is better. Pull out. Alam ko nandiyan kayo sa Cotabato because you are the mastermind. Para wala nang away-away tayo, we have already our own peacekeeping group. Mayroon na kami po yan. Dahil kung ayaw ninyo mag-alis, i-coordinate ko kayo sa 6IB, sa Wismincom, kasi mayroon po tayong military dito. Mayroon na tayong military. Anong pasukan nito? Wala nang away ang Mindanao. Ngayon, parito na ako. Kung gusto ninyo malaman ang lahat-lahat, nandiyan na kami sa Mindanao Examiner, Sorsogon Examiner. Nandiyan na po yan lahat. So kung sino pang magsabi sa akin ay ako ay impostor, ako ay piki, marami salamat. Art Simpana, nandiyan ka sa Malacanang. Hindi ka kasali diyan sa administration nyo. Diyan ka sa administration ng spiritual government. 490. Uchua and Serapio. Kayo mga sindikato sa 490, mag-alis na kayo sa Mabini Hall. It's better pakit and dissolve the spiritual government kasi makukulong na kayo. You will be all under arrest. Uchua, please be advised. Do not advise the president maggawa ng hindi maganda. Alam ko ang Presidente Noynoy, ang nanay niya ang nagka-guide sa kanya. Hindi si Presidente Ramos. Ha? Nanay, Cory is fighting for development. Kaya nga mayroon tayo call. Kung tarawid sa English, call. Kung tawagin sa Tagalog, Cory, nanay mo, Noynoy. Ha? Ang ibig sabihin, Noynoy, ang Cory, ang nanay mo, collusion for reform. Kaya nga mayroon na tayong Federal Republic of the Philippines in command of the Queen of the Republic of the Philippines, Queen Maria Makiling, Helen Fatima Nazaria Panulino. Dito na ang pagkaisa natin na Chairman Murad, tama na. Chairman Mishwari, tama na. Hindi ako matatakot sa inyo. Mayroon akong sa likuran kung sino. My security cannot be seen. Unseen people. Alam gaib. Limaya. Ang totoo ay totoo. Hindi ako sinungaling kagaya ninyo. I am not the liars. Tell the truth. Or else God will not forgive you. You will go to hell like multo. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif lam mim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin arrahmanir rahim maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Shiratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Qul Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Barakat la ilaha illallah.